What is your name? What is your occupation? What time is it?
Go yell at your daddy.
I don't have anything trying to yell at me. I take that back.
What? What? Really? No way.
Hey. Hey. 把月亮搞住没？Gordon, don't worry, you're still coming.
The face of a cat who just discovered the serving system in this house is completely unfair.
Are you upset at me? I'm sorry. I did auditions today, but I will feed you now.
What's wrong? What? What? Do you want to come up?
May I have your smelly bird?
他吃太臭了，他吃了。飞到我鼻子了，笑死了。
Ow!
Hey!
It's okay, she'll get him. Good work, Murph. Hello? Hello?
Pearl, get down from there. That's bad. You loony. You big one.
Oh, Uli meow.
Look at this. I just have this little guy that sits in my living room and stares at me. Just sits there and looks at me. Look at it. He's just a little man.
She's just a mini you.
You're bitching to be bitching. I hear you. Don't try to talk underneath your breath because I can still hear you. I don't care.
那，为啥呢？打出来打啊！不晓得呀，你跟我说老气我，反正。我在想，我这是把那个打，那看不会打我两句。
Hey.
Raggy! Stop!
Your eyes are glued to yourself. What you guys watching?
TikTok. Leo.
I'm sorry. I know I'm sorry. I know I'm really sorry. Oh, I'm sorry.
While the game is billiards, this kitty learns the rules of the ball catching game.
I am right here. You got quiet as hell.
I love you. Oh, I love you too.
I just fed you. There's still milk on your mouth to prove it. You're fine.
What is that? What did he do? Do a somersault. Yeah? Good girl. Good girl. Stop yelling at me. Stop yelling at me. Oh, what? You want to run up on me now? No. You don't bully mommy. Jaspy.
What? What? Yes? How can I help you? Mango! Speak to me!
Monkey!
Kit, you're okay. That's your older brother. Look at him.
Hey, get off of us. Get off, bro. Seriously, get off. Hey, get off, get off. Come on, get off now.
对，我的妈呀！你就是刚刚抱上那粮，刚刚手是软的，你吃这样。